So I showed you the eastbound on the Kicking Horse Pass. I'm now going to show you the westbound because there really is two different perspectives to this construction zone and how different it is. We're coming up the hill here. This hill in a truck, if you're fully loaded, you're doing 25-30 kilometers an hour at the top of the hill. We're coming up to the top. This video here was taken 4 days before the eastbound one, but it's pretty well the same, except you see a different perspective of it. We're coming up to this really sharp corner that been a lot of accidents here. A lot of guys try to take the corner too fast. I've seen semis up against the rock face. There's a crane on the left-hand side there. I decided to do two videos of this going each way because of the different angle that you get on it. You see the mesh on the wall to stop the rocks from falling on the highway. I was watching a video by a trucker who had a camera on the back trailer of his tanker, and he kept flipping it back and forth. It was kind of cool. I can't do that on my truck. Going down the hill. Here you can see where the other two lanes are going to be. And they are going to cut this down. They cut this rock bluff through here, and I'm wondering if they're going to make the highway straight through here. Can't really tell yet what they're doing here. I've been driving this highway for 15 years. And it just totally amazes me at what they're doing here. Because this is the original highway I'm driving on right now. You can see the platform there on the left. Put big heavy cranes on them, and this is pretty cool. This has been long overdue. There's been lots of semi-wrecks. I kind of wonder how many trucks are down at the bottom of the river valley because they went off the cliff. This crane coming up, he's sitting on a platform. Nothing below him, straight down to the riverbank. It looks like this corner is going to be eliminated coming up. There's a crane sitting on a platform there. Where's that? No. Yeah, that's the platform that he's on. But driving this in a snowstorm when they haven't cleared it is pretty nasty. But they do have, or try to have, good maintenance. So this is it. We're coming up to the end, come around this corner, and we come back onto the 4-lane. Like I said, I just thought I'd show a different perspective. Anyways, thanks for watching. Subscribe and like. Thanks.